It's Charlie Fizzle here.
Charlie Fizzle.
Hey, you gonna take me for a ride along?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, gonna go for a ride along with Charlie Fizzle here.
No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure. Putting down?
It's like when I dyno tuned it, probably like 380 wheel, 390 torque. Oh man, that was fun.
Woo. Smooth. All plated up, rib nutted.
That's the chair slayer kit, the cage kits one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like the whole like bolt-on deal. See, it's like all, yeah, just might put a hose in there. See, it's like all like the bolt-on stuff, so.
Oh, that's cool. How much does this kit cost?
Like 800 bucks.
Okay, all right. That's not bad though.
Yeah, it takes the headache out of it, because I mean, I do welding like tube bending, but that's just kind of something that when you're missing so much, it's like hard to really line things up.
Yeah, seriously.
Takes the guesswork out of it, you know?
No, it looks good,
Pull up.
Or maybe right now. All right, tell me about your car.
Well, it's 89.
Wait, tell me who you are.
I'm a human being that lives among all of you. Charlie, my name's Charlie. Charlie Rojas, Reds. You know, to translate that to Spanish to English. Anyways, yeah, it's 89 hatch. Had this car for like 8 years, and you know, ever since I got it, I was like, I need to LS swap it. So it's been LS swap probably for like 6 years now, and yeah, it's just an LS1 out of a wrecked Vette. I did the roll cage myself, most everything, all like the fab work. I try to take on myself. Just, you know, if I mess it up, whatever, it's my car, you know. So
how many years have you had this car?
8 years. 8 years.
Okay. How much money do you think you've put into this car over the 8 years?
You know, I don't really like to think about that, especially with, you know, like, if I would have got into Bitcoin a long time ago, I'd be, you know, doing it. It's like probably like around 25, I would say so. High 20s, mid 20s.
Okay. What's your favorite part about this car?
My favorite part about the car? I think the fact that most of the work is, well, yeah, the majority of the work is done by myself. So I mean, so you know, like I like the motor. So like the motor is like a big thing, you know, it kind of gives it a different identity, you know. It's like, you see like SR cars or like turbo cars, it's just, they have a different attitude. So I think, yeah, I think that's like, I've always liked this motor. I always like how responsive it is. So I think that's my favorite part.
Okay, so I'm noticing something here. Is that a Home Depot pipe coupler?
Yeah, it is actually. It works, man. It works.
Just noticed. Okay, cool. So what are your future modifications for this car?
it's never been one color, so I definitely want to get the whole kit situation handled and just paint it, man. It deserves a nice paint job.
So you flocked it?
Yeah.
How hard was this to do?
It wasn't that bad. It's just I'm kind of like a perfectionist, and I really don't like how it came out, but decently. I mean, it's you can't see too much of the cracks anymore, so that makes me feel a lot better. I wired up this switch panel. I have like this little relay box behind there. You probably can't see it.
Okay, now it's nice and clean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just
very ergonomic. E-brake is right next to the steering wheel.
Yeah. I mean,
and he kept the stock parking brake, which is good.
Yeah, you can't have it's a fail-safe, you know. If I whatever, you know, I still got something.
When you drift, do you still go for this sometimes?
No, I haven't done that. No, it is too easy, man. It's just you pull it and it locks. So
cool.
yeah, and you know, I got it out. I want a matching seat, but I can't really afford it. So
you don't need that.
yeah.
Passenger could figure it out. What's going on in the back here?
It's just a battery box with the circuit breaker there, and just, you know, the cage work.
Yeah, look.
My cage work.
Attention to detail. He has grommets everywhere. The wires aren't fraying against the bare metal. A lot of attention to detail here, you know? Looks good.
Yeah, I'm actually a mechanic, so I can't let myself slip, you know? Like, they're gonna be like, man, you're a mechanic and you can't even make your car look nice.
No, looks good.
But, yeah.
Even got this fancy fire extinguisher.
Yeah, man, Amazon, dude, this is the trick, man. It's like 20 bucks.
Have you ever had to use this?
Yeah, some dude's car actually caught on fire the last Flavor Express event. So we were pulling up on the side where, you know, the last corner and where you line up, and he came in on fire, and I was like, dude, you're on fire. And then, like right away, you know, he caught my like body language, and he came out and he's on fire, and I'm like, it was like right behind his wheel, and then I thought the rubber caught on fire, but it was actually his filler neck. His filler neck came loose, so it was like gas fire. I'm like, man, I could have blown up, dude. But yeah, we all came out, we all put it out. So that's a new one. I just bought that one. That guy owes me 20 bucks. T-Bird Slayer, you owe me 20 bucks.
More power, more problems. Do you think you want more power in the future?
Right now, no. Right now, well, okay, future, I guess it's hard to say, but right now I'm still getting used to the power. I still haven't mastered it, so I went straight to an LS swap, and most people will probably, you know, criticize me on that, but you know, I just kind of been catching up with it, you know, as time goes by. I'm still not there yet, so just master this. There's no reason to put in stuff that's just gonna change the car, and you're never gonna get used to the car, you know. So that's my outlook on it. And
all right,
I think
where can people find you?
Instagram. I just got Instagram, Charlie Fizzle, Charlie_Fizzle, you know. That's me. And yeah, or you can find me here whenever I'm here, you know.
All right, cool, man. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.